So the 1905 Ithaca buttstock restoration is done. The woodworking bench is clean. This has probably been one of the most challenging gun stock restorations I've ever done. There were so many things wrong. There were so many moving parts to this. So the fact that we've gotten through this, I'm proud as hell. And I owe it to the Lion. Now the Lion is one of those inspirational posters that you could buy back in the day. I put that one up there 20 years ago or more. And every morning I walk down into this shop and I look at the Lion, and it reminds me that nothing in life comes easy. Everything is hard work. Everything is about persistence. If you want to survive, you have to get up in the morning running. And that is the key to all of this, never giving up. There's a lot more to go. The gun's not done. We're going to handle each of those in the order that we need to do it. Thank you for the support. And remember, the Lion. Every morning you need to get up running. See you in the next video.